If you want to manifest what you want, the most important thing is to ask yourself what you really want. So let's say you want a particular job and the boss just doesn't like you and you want to mess with the boss's head in order to get a job. No, unethical. It'll reflect back on your karma, not a good idea. Let's say you're madly in love with a person and if only you can mess with their head and make them fall in love with you, that will make your life better. No, it'll just reflect back on your karma. It's not a good idea. In terms of energy healing and manifesting and having an open, clean energy, this is a very dark energy. You just don't want to go there. Unethical. If you're struggling with this idea, please, 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 please seek help with an experienced EFT tapping practitioner that can help you find out why, of all the jobs in the world or of all the partners in the world, is that particular one that you feel you need. That is the key to your happiness. Unlock that and you will manifest what you want with the greatest of ease. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just ask. See you later.